Hi, to enable vehicle motion cues on iPhone 16e, firstly you're gonna open Settings. Now in your main settings, scroll a bit down to find Accessibility, click it, and after that you should see the section Motion. And right now you will find Show Vehicle Motion Cues. So this will help with simply motion sickness. If you would like to enable it, then you need to select either automatic option or on. So if you want for this feature to turn on automatically when it detects that you are in vehicle, then you can click it like that. To enable it right now, you need to click on, and here you'll see the status on, and those dots appears on the screen. So dots will display until you turn this feature off. And for that, click this off, and here you'll see confirmation. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.